Hey, let me show you all controls for OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. First of all, I'm gonna set the play and the pause on the single tap on the left one, and let's see if it works. Yeah, this is the left one. Okay, so as you can see, it is working. So we can play and the pause. For the double tap, I'm gonna, for example, set to turn previous song. Yeah, it's also working. For the triple tap, we can also get the next song. Okay, this one actually not working. Okay, right now it works, but as you can see, it doesn't actually recognize my actions all the time. For the triple tap, we can also wake the voice assistant, so let's take a look. Okay, right now it works, but I wouldn't actually say that it works good. I was using previously the FreeBuds Pro 3, and in this sensors every gesture works every time, but right here on the Buds 3 Pro doesn't work that good. We got another one, touch and a hold, so we can adjust the noise cancellation mode. And for the long touch and a hold, we can volume up and volume down. Okay, so let's try to set it up. Let's see if it works. There we go. So first, let's try with this, noise cancellation. Okay, we can actually easily switch the noise control modes. Now let's see if we can volume up and volume down. Yeah, we can do this. Let's try to volume down. And it also works. But as you can see, I had issue with this double tap and the triple tap. But yeah, this is like all gestures that you can use. So you can change songs, you can change volume, play and a pause, activate the voice assistant, and of course you can change the noise cancellation mode. Thanks for watching.